Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create drop-down lists on Microsoft Excel. Now for this case we are going to use this example here where I have units and departments. Now units, we have Visual Basic, Commerce, Basic Electronics, Law and AutoCAD. So we are going to create a drop-down list which will enable us to assign these units to various or to respective departments. Now to do this, let's go to Data tab here. Then we move to Data Validation. So we select Data Validation from here. It will have to display a dialog box of data validation here, but before that, let me select these cells of column B, then go back to data validation option. It will display this data validation dialog box. Now here by default we are allowed by any value. That is by default, but we can still go for another validation criteria. Now to do that, click on this button here. Let's move to list. It is here. Click. Now if you click OK, it will have to give you this error message, and now here what you need to do is to make sure that we enter the source, and our source here should be various departments. Now I'm going to enter departments here. Let me begin with ICT, business, and I'm going also to enter a technical department. This is just an example. Then after entering this source here, you click OK. Then if you checked here, you will see a drop down icon here. Now you can click on that icon like that. Then it will have to display various departments. So you can assign any unit to the respective department from here. You can still work on drop-down lists on your own way, but for my case, I've worked with the units and I'm assigning to department. This is how simple it is. If you find this video very important, please consider subscribing to this channel, and for those who have done so, please continue support.